how to track your Target order in the Target application. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial in order to do so you may follow out this method for that. So open up the Target application. For that, I'm going to use a browser. You can also use it or open up the Target application directly, and then make sure that you are signed in with the account that you used to place the order with. So just head over and sign in if you're not signed in. Now, once you're signed in, what you can do is you can look out for your profile option in the top right, tap on it, and look out for your manage account option and go ahead and tap on it. Or you can look out for your wallet option directly from the bottoms menu. If you find it up, you can head over there and just go over and tap on it. So usually on your account settings, when you scroll down, you should be finding section for gift card, payments, etc., where you can look out for the wallet and go ahead and look out for orders. Sometimes even on purchase history, you can tap on view all to view your purchase history and find the order that you want to track from the section. So in this order history, you will be finding all of the orders available. You can just head over and find the order that you want to track and tap on it to see the order details. And when you do there, you will be finding all of the shipping status, your order received, preparing shipment, shipped out for delivery, etc. And you can tap on track package to open up the real-time updates from the shipping carrier and just go over and follow it up. And that way, you should be able to track your Target order in the Target application. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.